Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to talk to you about the cat that I'm hoping to incorporate and use in class a little bit more often, and I found it in the DIPS resources, which were excellent to go through. Now I have so many different ideas, but so it is located in this. And I'm going to look at the class recap. So working in Achieve, oftentimes our students need time to process the content and the learnings in class. And so having this form of formative assessment to keep engaging where our students are and what they're learning and what they took from the lesson, and also to have that piece to reflect back on. That's the piece that I think is missing. We give in the moment feedback and assessment to our students, but they don't have a running record of it. So I thought that the class recap documents could be an excellent resource for our students to be able to reflect back on each class, show what they learned, and to really drive that content home and those learnings home. So what I did was I just drafted up a simple little document here and broke up my 3 courses. So what I hope to do is to have one for each of the courses that I teach. And this is what the document would kind of look like. So I'd have the name of the class at the top, talk about the purpose, to create a living document to both show and remind you about your learnings for the semester. In here I put the date, a question, what did we do? So what was done in class today? Why did we do it? And here I would like to branch out these questions a little bit deeper. What is the relevance? What is the application? How does this tie to learning? Why is it important? So I really would kind of hammer out the why a little bit more. Was it new? Is this something that you found familiar, something new that you did, or something completely different? Again, the application piece, how can I use this? So for example, in self-development and wellness, we talk about our values and understanding our core values. Seeing how students understand how they use their values and how they can use them moving forward would be beneficial for me for formative assessment, to know if I met the outcomes of the lesson and if the students kind of hit the hammer on the head and really know how to apply it, and then also too, how to go back and redo a lesson or create a supplemental lesson as well to complement that first one to really get that message home. And then questions or follow-up notes, because sometimes we'll have different community resources or organizations that our students can connect with for follow-up pieces. So I didn't want to just leave it at the question. With the questions, I really wanted to provide an opportunity for our students to make little follow-up notes or a key idea that they need to do. Maybe a follow-up note could be to make this part of their weekly goal, which we do with our students, or to connect with a community organization that can help tie in that learning and to strengthen that and provide that applicable use. I did this for each of the classes here, and again, like I said, I'd like to use it in a format so that the students may have this in the front of their binder and be able to use it. That's it for now. Thank you.